Zido is back. Zido is back. Hey, wait for Mama. Mama will turn on the light. Oh, what you got? Huh? Wow, now it's different. This is educational toy. Oh, numbers. And is there a letter here, Baba? I think numbers with animal park. And there are also cars like this. Wow, you're gonna like this, Zido. We'll open it, dali. I will open, dali. Sit down. Sit down. Yes, Zido will open. Excited? Huh? Now we'll open the new toy. Mama will help you, okay? There's also a bag, so it's good. After playing, you can put it back, okay? Oh, it's like choo-choo train, no? Huh? And yeah, numbers. It's also an animal. Shape. Oh, wait! You cannot wait. Baba, he grabbed the toys. Couldn't wait. He wants to do it by himself. He thought I'm so slow. We show them what's inside. What is this? We'll assemble them, okay? What's this box only? There's nothing inside. Put it here. What is this? Oh, get the other one. There. We'll assemble them, okay? We'll explore what's up with this toy. Create your puzzle paradise. You have to create a puzzle like this. The animals are riding the choo-choo train also. Okay? Oh, without teaching him, he knows what to do, Baba. Yeah. He's making a building, I think. Oh, look.
What number is this?
Look. 3. He knows number. But
I want something different. I don't want cars.
Yeah. But your son is the one who will decide. No, you cannot decide for him. Otherwise, he will not play. He was the one who choose this.
He's the one who chose.
Yeah. Go make a building. They don't. The others. Oh, here.
I see cars.
That's a circle, baby. You cannot put the circle in the square. You cannot mix them.
See this. Zido.
Yeah, I think you will put the square here, and then the animal, and then the animals. Look. You can do like this, like that. See?
Look, animal. Put another animal. Oh.
It's like that.
Yeah, let him hear these things.
Yeah, he will explore, Baba. He's the one.
Something different.
You know, he's smarter than both of us.
Smarter than you.
We'll connect the train, Zaid. This is the front. I will connect the other part. This one, and here, the second one, and this. I don't know. We'll check the picture. Okay, fine. This is what you made. This one, a building. What is this? Skyscraper. And then you can put the animal there. Oh.
Mama.
No. Oh, nice. Oh, this is what you did, Zaid. Oh, you put the animal here and here. Oh, look, Baba. Oh, he connected them. And then he put the animals. How you know it, Zaid? Huh? How did you do it, Zaid? Huh? Huh?
Moving.
And also the building. Oh, the building has also this one at the top. Bravo, Zaid. Bravo. Oh, he's happy. This is what Zaid did. This is Zaid's masterpiece. Yeah.